just wanted to show how I use a 3D printer to print some pretty much just body protectors for my cars. Got all these here. This is pretty much it. I got corner guards. Also show it on the body here in another shot, so you can see how they work. But these go on the back corner of the bodies to protect those corners from getting punched in and holes bashed in them when you're flipping. You got roof guards. Again, keep holes from bashing in there, but also when it slides upside down, these are great. Protects that body from getting all jacked up. Got a front protector. Protects that nose. And I actually did successfully print wheels for the wheelie bar. And I've got them on my blue Big Rock right now, and they're holding up great. So most of these parts don't really last super. These last longer than these are the fastest wearing ones here because I'm constantly hitting those corners. Just wanted to show those and see how you can use a 3D printer to save a little bit of money on your bodies, because it's a $30 body. These are a couple cents to print, so it does save money. And then here's all these parts on the car. Got the roof guards there. I just use little nylon screws and nuts to fasten those on. There's the corner guards. And I just noticed that last major nosedive I did cracked my body, so I got a little bit of work to do there. I'm actually not sure how I'm going to hold that down, but there's the front. But they do lengthen the life of the body. Like I said, they're $35–40 for the body, a couple cents for the parts, so I guess you're talking a couple $100 investment in the printer, but that's that.